In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 3rd December 2021 and the day is Friday. Now, today was the first weekly expiry, and in yesterday's video I said that as and when 17250 level is crossed and sustained, we can see a move up to 17320 and even beyond that. So you can see today Nifty made a high of 17420, and I also said that 17450 is going to act as resistance. So any move will come if it closes above this level only, and it closed slightly below this. So this is going to act as resistance, but if it is taken out, then we can expect it to come to 17800 and 18000 level sooner than later. And on the downside, this will be the low for this series and for this December series and maybe for the coming days. So you can also see if we draw a line, then near to this level it took the support, and if it crosses this level it will go up, and I don't think it will come back. If it comes, then 17200 17000 will act as good support. That what you can see in one hour chart also. You can see that it is kind of a rounding bottom type formation, and this is also going to act as resistance 17600. So if this level is crossed and sustained, then we can expect 17600, and those who have taken 17250, who have bought above 17250, then can trail your stop loss to cost, because if 17250 is broken again or 17200 is broken again, then we can expect some downward movement. Otherwise it will continue to go up, and it has also sustained above this breakout. We can say a breakout has occurred. So on 15-minute chart you can see that this was a great move. You can see from there it fell and it took resistance near this and then gave a breakout. Now if tomorrow, if it opens flat, then we'll expect it to cross this 17450 level, and above 17450 we are going to buy. And if it opens with a big gap up, then it can come down, take support near 17450, or in the closing price near 17400. If it takes support and starts going up, then also we can buy. But if it opens gap down, then these levels will act as support. 17320 will act as support, and 17280 will act as support. So on the downside, 17280 is going to act as support, and if it opens gap down and starts falling, these levels to be watched out for. So we are not looking for selling at this moment, we are looking for buying in the coming day or immediate tomorrow. Now in the bank nifty also you can see similar movement, and we discussed that bank nifty is going to be volatile between this range, and yesterday when it closed above this, I said that slowly and steadily it will go, and 37400 level can, or 37300 level can come, and today was the first step towards that, and it has made a higher high and higher closing. Now if it crosses up, then we can expect these levels to come, and on the downside this is going to act as support. So if it breaks, then only we will see a cause of concern for these levels again. Otherwise we are okay with whatever levels we have at this moment. Now in 1 hour chart also, yesterday we saw that it closed here, and today it came down briefly, but then it well sustained above this level. And what I said, that is going to sideways, even though it has moved up, but still you can see it is kind of still a sideways movement. It is not a big movement on the upside. So tomorrow what immediately can be done, if it opens flat and starts going up above 37550, then we are going to buy, keeping a stop loss of 37480, and we will buy in small quantities, and later we will add positions as we go on. This is a breakout, so that is also one good thing. Now if it opens big gap up, then it can come down, and if it comes down, then it will take support near this level, then we can buy. Otherwise we'll avoid if it big gap up. But if it's down, if it's gap down, then we can expect again 36 to 50 levels to come. The chances are less, but it can come nonetheless. So we are bullish on the market both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now let's look at the stocks. The first stock is SRF. Now you can see that SRF fell and it was kind of a negative since then. But the sellers couldn't drag the market hugely downward, and it was forming base at these levels, and now it is close at the resistance, near the resistance, with a strong candle. So if tomorrow this level is crossed, then we can buy above 2093. We can buy, keeping a 10-point stop loss, and 1:2 target will be on the upside, because these are the levels that will come before a significant resistance comes in SRF. The next stock is IGL. You can see that it fell and now it's kind of making a W kind of formation. So the significant resistance will be at this level, and if it crosses this level, then further big up move can come. But as of now for intraday, if these levels also come, then it's also a big move on the upside. So we are going to buy above 499, keeping a 5-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the upside. The next stock is Crompton. Even with this market, you can see the volatility in Crompton and the negativity also. So it is clearly a downtrend. If you do not consider this panic scenario, then it is on a close to close basis, it is in this level. So if it breaks this level, then these levels can again come. So we are going to sell below 432, keeping a 4-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the downside. The next stock is Pfizer. You can see that it has fallen from here and is continuous red candles, and so we can sell below 4925, keeping a 10-point stop loss, and 1:2 will be the target on the downside. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.